It has arrived. Whoop, whoop. Let's see, guys. I was out and about trying to take care of some business and received a notification that my cordless sealed surface bathroom cleaner, it's either by Tineco or Tineco. See that? Right, feels like Christmas. They definitely have it sealed very, very well. Let me see. Okay. Quick tutorial on everything. I just set it up. Nice. Let's see. Uh-oh. Let's see. Cord. Solution. Cool. This appears to be the charging station. Put it up there. Bam. They have it well packed, which is a good thing because this box is super heavy. Super heavy. Whoop. Whoop, don't need that. Empty, empty, don't need that. Booklet, instructions, sponge. What is this? Oh, okay. The cleaning utensil. Whoop, 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 whoop. I seen somebody else do this on YouTube, so I'm happy they did because I would have ignored that. Okay. Cutting device. Nothing, nothing. Empty. Try to clean up as I go. Here, put back in this box. Register now. Okay, I will. Yeah, I didn't read that first. So let me read, make sure. Kind of looked like it was already placed in here once before. A couple of little things. There you go. This had some good weight to it. Pretty heavy, which is good. Heavy duty. Cute. Okay, it already comes with roller. It says press, lift, super easy. Okay, put that back. I wonder if it's already kind of pre-charged at all. Yes, it is. Woo! Listen to it. So since I just created a big mess, we have a couple of few particles. Run this bathroom first. Put a little muscle to it to push it. I hear something sound strange already. Put that, turn it off. since this part is easy to come off, I'm sure whatever it is, I can get to it quickly. Okay, so let's see. What I did it pick up? I was hearing something sound a little strange. Oh, yep, here it is. From Christmas, ornament hook. But hey, look how easy that was. Put that in there. Okay, so I'm gonna test it out and I'll come back with another video. See how this works as a mop. But thus far, cool. And of course, here, this slides in there. And don't forget about this. Guess you can stick that in there. Cool. All right. Part 2 coming soon.